Okay. Hare Krishna devotees. So I welcome all of you for our Kartal learning series of the videos. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about the transition, which are also called as Tihai. So where these are used, so first the transition which we are going to learn today, it is for the slow bit which we have learned 1 2 3 1 2 3. We started practicing with the Srila Prabhupada tune. Next, you can try to practice in different artis as well, Narsimha Arti, Tulsi Arti, or our Mangal Arti. Okay. Now, here I am going to teach you the transition. Okay. When the two mantras are sung, in between there is some gap, transition from changing one mantra to another mantra. So, Hare Krishna mantra end as Rama Rama Hare Hare. Then next Hare Krishna before starting that there is one transition. So basically there these transition beat is used, tala is used. In mridanga also that is there. So first of all, these tal have some bowls, okay, same as mridanga. So I will tell you what are those. Te, re, khe, ta, jha. 5. Te, re, khe, ta, jha. Te, re, khe, ta, jha. 5, sorry. 5 are there. So you can note it down somewhere, or I will put in the description. So tere keta jha. How to play? Little bit you have to concentrate. It needs practice. Okay. So now, if you are still new, you can watch the video again for how to hold the kartal. But I will quickly show once again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Put your thumb like this. Again you do. If you are comfortable with the 2 rounds, that is also fine. Okay, this is how we hold. Done. Now, how to play this transition mantra? So te, re, khe, ta, jha. So in a way, in kartal, tere and kheta are same. Only jha is the difference. So te, hold it like this. Both the kartal pairs should face each other. Here you have to keep your right hand dominant. Okay, right hand should be dominant. Left hand you keep loose. Got it? Now te. First I will show you te. Te is like this. With the right, keep the left hand loose. With the right hand, play like this. Te, te. Going downwards. Te, te, te. Full face. Okay. See, my thumbs are attached. Okay. Te, 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 te. Okay. Now raise. Now once your hand goes down, okay, with the right hand you move it again upwards. Re. Understood? It was like this. Re. Re. Okay. Re. Re. Okay. So te, re, te, re, te, re, te, re, te, re, te, re, te, re. Now one thing you just remember, your hand should move from the, what we call this, wrist. Okay, sorry, from the wrist, not from the elbow or from the shoulder. It should move from the wrist. So wrist should be flexible. So whenever we are doing any kartal movement, only wrist should move, now not from the shoulder. You can see my shoulder is steady. Okay, so te, re, te, re, te, re, te, re, te, re, te, re. As I told, kheta also same. Khe is te, ta is re. So khe, ta, khe, ta, khe, ta, khe, ta, khe, ta. Okay. Now we will combine both. If you need more practice, you can pause the video and try to practice te, re, kheta first. Okay. So te, re, khe, ta. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all. So tere kheta jha. Tere kheta jha. So jha is, you keep horizontal kartal like this. Okay. Please watch, horizontal. And on top of that, you have to play like this. Jha, 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 jha. So slowly, te, re, ke, ta, jha. Te, re, ke, ta, jha. Te, re, ke, ta, jha. I will show you a little fast way so that you can think of practicing like that. Okay, once you are comfortable. Te re ke ta jha, 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 te re ke ta jha. So this is how it is played, because the transition goes very fast. So generally it is played in a fast way. But while practicing, don't practice it like a fast. So always remember, practicing anything, whether it is mridanga or kartal, always practice with slow, so that our hand becomes, hands are also learning, right? Our muscles of the hands, muscles of the mind, everything is learning. So if you learn it wrong first, then actually it will become habit and you cannot unlearn it. Okay, so tere kheta jha you can practice, and next video I will show you how you can apply it in the kirtan. But as of now, you just learn technicalities of the beat. Okay, so thank you all of you. Please keep practicing. Hare Krishna.